Hey lads, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm unboxing and reviewing the new Kylie Cosmetic and Kendall collab. I'm super excited for this and there's a lot to talk about, but if you guys just want to skip the unboxing and go straight to the part where I use all these products to create this gorgeous look right here, and skip ahead to this time right here that you see on your screen. But if you want all the tea, then just keep watching. Okay, so first off, let me just explain like how excited and how long I've been waiting for this collab. Kylie and Kendall, like, you guys did the thing. I've been waiting so long and I've been just so excited for this. Kendall is one of the last sisters to do a Kylie Cosmetics collab, and like I said, I'm just super excited and I'm here to unbox it and try it out for you guys. Now this is what the beautiful packaging looks like, and I mean, we're gonna go over it all, but just at first glance, like, this is so cute and so bomb and like 10 out of 10. Ooh, 10 out of 10. So I was able to get my hands on the full collection. This whole collection is $150. I did try to get the signed PR box for $300, but girl, that was checked, like sold out within a minute. I was on the site at 11, literally had it in my cart at 11:01, and then it started reloading and no, it was gone. I tried, but maybe next time. I am still super obsessed with this full collection. Again, it was $150. I'm gonna go through each product and then also put the price individually on the screen. I'm gonna start off with the smallest thing in the box, which is this Everything Everywhere gloss. Just like, look at this packaging. It is so gorgeous. I love like the little hints where it says Kendall in the reflection. I've been seeing on her Instagram that they've been using this on the lids. I really want to try it out on the lips and the lids, I guess. So yeah, super cute packaging, Kendall. Ooh. I just try to touch it. There's a screen on top, so take that off. So let's see. We're just going to touch it and see what it feels like. Okay, it is a little gooey. I'm going to put it on the lips right now. Oh, it feels so smooth. It feels really smooth. It doesn't have a scent to it. It gives that like perfect gloss, which is what I was craving, so I'm glad I did that. So yeah, super, super cute Everything Everywhere gloss, and it is 0.11 ounces. I am Kendall. Wow, you did that. This is the High Gloss by Kylie Cosmetic. Like, the packaging, wow, stunning. I love when they do the pictures as a packaging. I think that's just so G, so cool. This is the Can I Borrow That shade. Ooh, okay, okay. Oh, that looks super, super pretty, very creamy. Oh, super soft when you put on, and just like a light tint. I am gonna put it on over this just because I don't have anything to wipe it down. So it does feel really nice on the lips, very soft, and kind of smells a little like vanilla. I'm not mad at that. Guys, ignore my fingernails, okay? Just ignore them. Okay, next we're gonna go into the highlights or highlights, bronzer, and blush sticks. And guys, this packaging, look, you can put it all together and it looks so cool. Hold on, I totally did that wrong. There we go. There we go. I did it. So yeah, isn't that so cool? I love how they do stuff like that. Just so gorgeous. So let's start off with the Spotlight. This is the highlighter stick. Ooh, super cute. I honestly haven't used like any stick things ever, so we're gonna give this a try later. Right here, see what it looks like, cause, okay, highlight, I see you. I see you. So yeah, super cute. I love the packaging, Kendall. And this is kind of big. This is a 0.28 ounce. We're gonna do the Runway. The Runway is the blush stick. So this should be interesting. You guys know how I feel about blush. A little nervous, but been working on it. And again, same style. Let me open this up. Super cute blush. Now this is like a dark blush. Okay. Okay, it looks a little darker in the container, but then it comes off lighter, if that makes sense. And the last but not least is Act Natural, and this is a bronzer stick. I love all the names: Spotlight, Runway, Act Natural. Perfect for Kendall, of course. This bronzer stick looks like the perfect shade for me, so ooh, can't wait to try that. And all three of these feel like very lightweight, creamy. Oh yeah, very blendable as far as I can tell. Oh yeah, it's like hydrating, but not that greasy hydrating. It's just like nice and hydrating and lightweight, which is a plus. Now we're gonna do the blotting powder. Like, this is so sweet, so beautiful, and just like, oh, dying. Packaging is amazing. translucent blotting powder. So I actually never used a blotting powder before, and I'm super excited. Look at how cute the packaging is, guys. Super excited to try this out. Whoa, it doesn't really feel like a powder. It feels like kind of like a cream. So yeah, this should be interesting. Just because I haven't tried one of these before, and this one is definitely unique just because it doesn't feel like a powder. That's what I was expecting. And that's throwing me off just because blotting powder. Yeah. But I mean, we're gonna see how it works because this is piquing my interest, definitely, and I just love the packaging. Again, 10 out of 10. Okay, so next we are moving on to the lip set. This lip set is Sister or Lip Kit, excuse me. And let's see this combo. So this, oh, cute. Okay, ooh, okay, this is like a nude. Oh, this is like a pinky nude lip liner. Oh yes, I love the packaging. I love the matte glass look, and it's just super, super elegant, very pretty. Let's swatch the shade next to the liner. Oh, that's going to be a gorgeous, it's just like slightly lighter than the lip liner. Super excited, and last but not least, I've been waiting for this because Kendall loves to play around with color. I love to play around with color too, except I just don't post it just because sometimes it's a hot mess. So yeah, I'm just really excited for this. Oh, ignore that, but this is what the packaging for the palette looks like because I totally forgot. I got so excited I was opening it anyways. So yeah, super cute and just very, very just very sweet. I love the sister bond that they have and that they're showing in this collection. It's just very, very like, I don't know, true to them, and I really love that. So this is the eyeshadow palette that I've seen that has so many colors that I'm excited to play with, like this green, the yellow, the orange, the purple, and the pink, and also these metallic shades. Let me just swatch these. Oh yeah. Super, super pretty and very soft, like very mineral soft. Yeah, I'm excited. So the shades are Model Energy, Cup of Tea, Brunettes Do It Best, November 3rd, You're Tiny and Cute, Love You Sister, Twice the Ice, Runs in the Family, Loyalty, I'm Telling Mom, Thicker Than Water, Scorpio Energy, To the Moon and Back, Here Kenny, Name a More Iconic Duo. So that is so cute, and yeah, we're gonna dive into all of this stuff right now, so stay tuned. Okay, so I already have foundation on. I figured I would skip that part and go straight into the bronzer, and I am using the Act Natural bronzer, so we're gonna test it out. Again, I haven't used any stick form products, maybe not ever, maybe just in a long time, so I might not do it right. So yeah, I like how you can just draw it on, and I'm just gonna do it a little bit, and we're gonna see if we can do the nose contour with this as well. Looking at the mirror right in front of me, for those of you who are wondering, I always wonder too. Okay, so that's the only thing, but that was an easy fix. Okay, maybe I need it, yeah, there we go. Just to give you that little lip plump. We're gonna blend it in with a damp beauty blender. See what happens. I like to push it up and in. And I'm not gonna blend it in all the way just because I am gonna go into concealer and fix some dark circles. But it is blending out very nice and very easily natural. So I like that. Okay, I'm gonna be right back with concealer and then show you the next steps. Okay, so now I just like to blend the two into each other. Really blending. This just like helps make it more natural, especially for that nose contour. And then get under those dark circles, get right up on the nose, and we're gonna see if these two products, blend together. I'm just gonna do my nose a little more just because it kind of faded, but I was pushing extra hard just to like make sure it was blending. And this blends really, really easy, so you really don't have to push that hard. I'm gonna try the blotting powder under my eyes just to see what that does. Again, it's really interesting picking it up with this just because I don't know if it's on there or not. It's really making no marks or anything. Really crazy, so So yeah, we're just going to see what it does. Put it everywhere, I guess. Hey. So it feels smooth. It feels like there's nothing else on my skin, and it is just like really, really silky. I'm gonna go in with the blush stick in Runway. Just a little dot right here. And then we're gonna blend it in. I like to blend it in with a beauty blender. Make a weird face while you do it. Bring it up also, drag that contour in with it. Take what's left over, pop it on the nose. Okay, so that blended really, really nice. I really love that. Now we're gonna try the highlighter in Spotlight. I do like how it's just easy to roll on there. Do some of the brows, why not? Okay, we're gonna see how blinding this is. I love my highlight, so we're gonna see if it's the Spotlight. Pretty sure you could probably blend this in with your finger. Make sure to blend this in. Ooh, very, very soft, very creamy. Okay, highlight. I see you. Especially the brows. That's a good highlight. My eyebrows coming off though. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera and think of an eye look I want to create, and then create one eye off camera and then do the rest on camera. So I'll be right back. Okay, so it's a lot of color and they don't make sense, but I like it. So first off, we're going in with your Tiny and Cute. This pigment is so amazing. Really, all the colors that I've used, especially the bright colors, like they're so creamy, so easy to blend, and really lightweight. It feels like I'm literally putting nothing on. And you don't need a lot, which is what I really love, because you know, you save more money when you don't use a lot of product. Like, I'm honestly so shook with this eyeshadow palette just from doing this eye, just because like it had really no fallout, good pigment, nice texture. Check, check, check. Now we're going in with Runs in the Family. We're just gonna focus that on the mid-lid. And you don't need a lot. I only dipped it like twice in the pan. And look at how bright that is. I love how big this mirror is. It's just nice and convenient. Okay, now we're going to just orange it up with the Thicker Than Water. We're gonna focus that on the outer corner. I like this angle brush just because it's easy. I do love oranges and yellows, but I know I always do like something with yellow, so that's why I wanted to do the green on the bottom, and I did tie it into the liner. So, thanks for creativity. Yo girl, just kidding. Now I'm just going to blend this all in together, getting everything nice and blended and looking natural. Now going in with To the Moon and Back and a smaller, more precise brush, we're gonna focus this on the inner corner just a little bit and then bring it under the waterline. And then taking here, Kenny, blending that also into that and bringing that up where that liner would meet it. Bomb. Let me just blend it in further. And I did do the mistake of putting the Everywhere gloss on before I did the liner, so I'm gonna not do that this time and see if that makes a difference. We'll probably have to go and fix the liner after lashes just because these lashes aren't insane. Now time for some Lily lashes. And now going in with the Everything Everywhere gloss, I'm just taking the Kylie Cosmetics Take Me On Vacation palette brush and dipping it in here. I probably should have done this before the lashes, to be honest. But it's really easy to apply and it really looks so good. Changes the whole mood. I love that. Some in the center too, why not? Really, I love this look. It's definitely different, but fun. Now we're gonna move on to the lips, and I think that's it. Yeah. So this is the Sister lip liner. Nice and smooth and creamy. And then here comes the matching liquid lipstick. Definitely a nice color, nice and soft. This is a lip blush, excuse me. Nice and soft and feels really good. Now I am gonna apply the gloss just because I wanna try the gloss. The gloss is, can I borrow that? No, you cannot borrow that. Well, I think I've tried every single product in this collection, and guys, I am just gonna flat out say it, 10 out of 10, you definitely have to have this stuff, especially the eyeshadow palette, just because this eyeshadow palette is so amazing and the color variation is bomb, the pigment is bomb, and the texture is bomb. So highly recommend this, and just go check it out because it's definitely a must-have. Again, it's just so cute, and everything they do together is amazing, and I love that they've created this collection because, again, you can really feel their sister bond through this collection, and it's just so special and so sweet. And again, I was just super excited for this collab, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and also the look I created. Let me know in the comments down below, or give this video a big thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button because every sky needs her clouds. Bye clouds, I love you.